I'm Jordan Rolling, hanging out at Kroger down in Memphis, Tennessee. In honor of Black Heritage Month, we're celebrating Wiley Mullins, a Kroger success story. He's the founder of Uncle Wiley Seasonings. Wiley, I gotta know, how did you get into the business of making seasonings?
Grandma's kitchen.
Grandma's kitchen.
You know, remember those great flavors, those great smells, that aroma, the good taste, the sweet potato pies, the collard greens, all that good food.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken, of course. I just wanted to make food like that, but make it healthier. So we decided to make a line of seasonings and spices that reflected all of that aroma, all of that taste, just good down-home food with all that great flavor.
Can you describe the moment you found out your product was gonna be in a Kroger store?
Well, I got a fax with the purchase order from Kroger Memphis, and I started screaming. I picked up the phone and called my mom. She started screaming because I grew up going to Kroger.
Full circle moment.
Full circle moment.
Wow. Well, I love hearing your story, but I am just so curious about what your seasonings taste like. How about we continue this conversation in the kitchen?
Well, let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
We picked up some fresh ingredients and Uncle Wiley seasonings at Kroger. I gotta talk about your Eat Your Greens though. That's your #1 bestseller.
That's our #1 bestseller and Kroger's #1 best-selling green seasoning. Combine it with those fresh greens you pick up in the Kroger produce department and just make an unbelievable pot of greens.
And healthier, right?
Much healthier. Our products are cholesterol-free, fat-free, and gluten-free.
And then what about your sweet potato pie? What goes into that?
This has a unique combination of cinnamon, allspice, a little brown sugar, pineapple essence to give it that flavor and that aroma.
And then with your chicken wings, you make them different. You don't fry them.
I don't fry my wings at all. With Uncle Wiley's wing seasoning, all you need are 2 ingredients, the seasoning mix and fresh chicken. Just sprinkle our seasoning on them, put them in the oven and bake them. It's a delicious and healthy way to cook.
This has been so much fun. I feel so prepared and I'm ready to give a fresh take on those traditional Southern foods we all know and love. All right, I've been waiting for this. You promised we were gonna taste something and I've been eyeing this chicken. Can we have a bite?
Let's go for it.
Let's do it?
Let's do it.
Cheers. My goodness.
Is that good?
This is good.